Often, your client's business is only part of the picture. For many business owners, their personal investments, assets, spending, and financial goals are also part of the equation. With personal wealth reporting in Spotlight, you can give your clients a full understanding of their net worth, from their business to their personal financial situation. Simply import from Myprosperity, Excel, or enter it manually. Powerful visual reports will help your clients keep track of all their assets and see how investments are performing so they can make good investment decisions. Now you can use this information to help your clients reach both business and personal financial goals. Whether it's to reduce expenses, increase savings, purchase assets, invest, or plan for retirement. Create new advisory opportunities for your firm and help your clients get the complete picture of their wealth with Spotlight reporting.